Ukhrul MGNREGS Material Cost zingkum kathum makhami wuivang MGNREGS Welfare Association Committee na complaint thàsanghaira zimiksho thumra thang alungli khavai pohaira Rakhara Parliament Kazibli Manipur President's rule kasai kasang Maram Twitter khuira dali Lay Kayangator, Aja Tangkhul Express TV Pao Ringyaophi Ningshen Inapan Mitali, Paobing may sign Nang Rumsa. Ukhrul District MGNREGS with Material Cost MC zingkum kathum kàda, makhami wuivang MGNREGS Welfare Association Committee na complaint thàsanghaira. Ukhrul District MGNREGS Welfare Association na Maram hiwuivang State Employment Guarantee Commissioner, Manipur Department of Rural Development and Panchayati Rajli kapisangda zimiksho thumra thang alungli yangsangmi khavai pohaira. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Schemes with azingli labor components sanctions sami kala or khavai administrative approval laylala material cost mamishok to the zadda kale kala ngaran kahai projects being thàsanghaira kaji association jinahanga. Hina schemes with khamataiya currently thàsanghaira. Kankhana construction materials mukhui by to the approved work banhawa public infrastructure development activities zangda what banhaira. Hina rural kacham now bingli employment opportunities kala infrastructure masampang sak thuragaji association china hangsanga. Miran mami ka shok china rural population li sagazimang maningla karing kharak wuivang MGNREGS li jihanda kale local skilled and unskilled workers bingli employment apong masampang ngasak thuragaji hanga. Ukhrul with concerned district program coordinator DBC li complaint taraka thasang kala verbal follow-up sailala ajira shung the resolutions malayranga fund release masaranga kachi association chinahanga construction materials malay to the sanctioned MGNREGS work out ngasamhaira china job card holders kala rural shimkur tingtingli sajadalay kachi hanga Chimang maningla chitada panmi da khale china Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act guidelines makashurna kacha livelihood support li kagadomni kahap malay khavai act juwathi shurda fund adam jada migi kachina da association chinahanga. Maram hiwuivang takta yangsangmi boda material cost fund ji zimiksho thumra thang alungli mishok ngasak khavai concerned authorities li jizumilu da association china pohaira. Boda Klehi Masamiaka MGNREGS Welfare Association Committee na Court of Law Mangali Khangi legal proceedings Zathaura. Kala Sangna Panmi Gahai hiwuivang Mashun Magasa hiwuivang mass public agitations la Saura Gachi Hang Matinhaira. MGNREGS Fund Shijin Kangwi Shok Hai Lesaka responsible kasa concerned authorities maningaka officer witungli Khangi legal kala disciplinary actions kwikavai pohaira. Ukhrul District MGNREGS Welfare Association TTE Manipur Governor Outer MB kala Ukhrul Deputy Commissioner lila copy mivahairachi. Manipur li popular Sarkar Lishit khavai kabo taraka laira shumhaira. Ka media pau thaka Central Sarkar na President's rule kasai sanghaula pai jidale. Infal Times with Pau, South Block, New Delhi wina sampanga kachiati shurda Central Government na President's rule hi kachang turuk kasai sanglui haula bai. Parliament session to a tentative list of business finalized sakhavai Union Cabinet aj kachipra hanga. Kalachiwi Maram khamataiya akhasada Manipur li President's rule extend kasala zanghairachi. President's rule kaseva khavai maramli rakhara parliamentary resolutions khuirada laya kachihi mainline media gadena lahanga ka animated suspensions aina khale Manipur Legislative Assembly hi dissolve sara masamara kachi maram mathaimana constitutional provisions athishurda stable leadership rashogaka fresh election masalala Sarkar Sem Khavai apong mida President's rule adamli Assembly hi suspended animations in a high by. Assembly dissolutions ra kahai tharan fresh elections rara maram hiwi tuidak center na makhui ngaila khalei thada rahaira. Kala President's rule khangavau hi kachang thuru kachida Parliament approval darkar sa kachina. Avri Ladekle, President's rule proclaimed Saka Highway deadline to pay direct Radaka Tum Tang Payra. Rakhara Parliament monsoon season hili bills kathar jishat table saradale. Manipur President's rule high khavai Maramli Twitter kakhuye nga soda income tax bill pass kasahi tentative businesses Sadat Narendra Modi Sarkarna propose kasali zangaji. Demands for grant Manipur for 2025 to 26 lingasunda appropriation bill session hili kwikara. Marun Kachang introduce Kasa Income Tax Bill 2025 G Select Committee na review salaga recommendations report monsoon season adamli misangra jihaidale. Session hili kwikara dekhale bills kathar pingji the Manipur Goods and Service Tax Amendment Bill 2025, the Jand Vishwas Amendment of Provisions Bill 2025, the Indian Institute of Management Amendment Bill 2025, the Taxations Law Amendment Bill 2025, and the Mines and Mineral Development and Regulations Amendment Bill 2025 hiping hizanga. The National Support Governance Bill 2025 and the National Anti-Doping Amendment Bill 2025 la seasoned hili pass sa khavai propose saratle. Session hili bill trada truk pass sa khavai list asidale. Bills pingji Lok Sabha kala Rajya Sabha li kathumri banda khalai pingna. Jiwinga jaili kathum Lok Sabha li pass salaga Rajya Sabha li bandale. Kathum Lok Sabha li banda khalaina. Session tili Bahalgam der attack Maram la ngasanra da hanga. Monsoon Parliament hi kachang hiwi tarik magada akhain hapokta pay tarik magada akhain dangda pamra. Kamchong District we Disha Quarterly Kazib Khare Aya Classic Currently Pohaira. Manipur Outer MP Alfred Kanam Arthur Nathanta Kazib Chili 43 Pungyer ST ACMLA Ratio Kishingala Kamchongwi SC Rangnamay Rang Peter Lazanga. Dialos STOs Kala STCS Pingli Review Kazib Chili Zanga. MP Alfred Kanam Arthur Departments Gada Data we report review sada concerned departments we factual report Athishuda policies implement Asagi Kachina Kachi Hanga. Darkar Saka Ministry na intervent Sara District Developmental Process li khavat kahap khalay tharan coordinate sada supplement Sara kachihanga held PMGSY PWD Education MSPDCL MSPCL CAF NPT NHIDCL DIC Social Welfare MSLRM Forest Hikada Hizangda Departments Thumrada Khana Kamchong with Developmental Report Mia. Disha District Development Coordinations and Monitoring Committee he elected representatives Pingwe alungli coordinations Mahatma ngasakta districtly mapung kapha atam kacha development khirami khavai kasana. Chili District with development activities psychorowe quarterly review kasana pau he kamchong TIO na mikashokna. Web journalist Naresh Kumari Zakshilak ina satat Ochoti Indian Journalist Union IJU na condemn Sahira. Naresh Kumari Direct Rada Khanitang Odisha we Malkankiri District Zakmai Magathaping na Sakatat Kahainachi. Modu police stations we azingli khale Muruli Gudali Kashok Ochochi press freedom kala media professionals pingwe safety li direct assault kasanada IJU na hanghaira. Reports Atishuda Naresh Kumar hi journalist ka daily Kharajan Saka Sadamni Maihon Kasangmi Panga motorcycles Kanina Rada Raikhaina attack Salaga Yamhawa Ochochi ngazin pung turuk shikali kashokna. Shoka hygiene journalist pingwe safety environmentally ninga curricula Kangahand Lenga Sakhaira. IGU President Kala Press Council of India with former member Gridharka Batak Nakahang Naresh Kumarli Sakatatina Ot Ngarut Kazat journalist pingli threat Kale Paningu Ngasaka Osakchi personal attack Mang Maningla democracy with principally attack Kasanada Hanga Ochochi wuivang sitting judge with yangsangmi azingli high level judicial inquiry lekhavai transparent kala kathaka mashund khirami khavai pohaira. IJU's Secretary General Sibina Iderjit Nala Makhami Pongshokta Paume Pingli Ngak Khami Makup Makaila Kahai Ayin Semi Khavai Kala Press Freedom Li Ngak Mi Khavai Pohaira. Manipur Tambak District and the Tatali Security Force na search operation zata kutlai taraka sampanghaira. Manipur Police na Central Armed Police Force CIPFS Army kala Assam Rifles ling shikta ayang tor operations kavana. Joint Security Force China Imphal East, Imphal West, Thopal, Kakching kala Bishnupur District we apam na the Tatali kutlai hang chishata thuruk kàda vapakhuya. Chili AG series rifles, INSAS rifles, self-loading rifles, SLRS, .303 rifles, pistols, carbine, SPBL bore action gun, anti-riot gun, JVBC double barrel gun, bolt action gun, kala 2-inch mortar higatahi zangsaya. Firearms chilling soda, grenades chiko, high explosive mortar shells taruk, improvised explosive device IEDS madi, assorted magazines hangwadida ka sampangaji, wireless handset tarukala tube launchers kanila pakhuyaira. Manipur Police na operations chi illegal arms network neutralize kasakala state security way major success ngasaya hanga. Imphal West Midday Langold Lema Kulant Lekar Relief Camp Likapam Lema Self-Help Group SHUwe internally displaced Chinausan Ping Aya Raj Bhavan Manipur we Governor Ajay Kumar Palale Kharjan Kasa Sampanghaira. Kazibji Mall KK Foundations na ngaran mida Governorly Livelihoods Development Program we mga khawa Maram Vahang Kajitaina. Program 2024 Kayon Kachang Adam Jitharant we Governor Anusuya Ukiye we Adamni Hopok Kaminaji. Manipur do short way Rod Kamradli Shim Juhoda Yam Gazat internally displaced persons Bingli Kodomi Khavai Mall KK Foundations na Mikzangmida Foundations China District Pangawi Relief Camp Thrada Kaniwi Naushnaw Tingka Gadali Ngajon Mi Haira the Hanga. Kala sanitary beds Zangda Kankana Healthcare what your mi ching trada matili mi hairachi. Pong kamay shongza paning the foundations China livelihood development program hi displaced communities pingli long-term economic support mi khavai hauko phoknachi. Program chi anaha thraskala North American Manipuri Associations NAMA na kadomida displaced China sandi khalata ringashap karing karak livelihood skills community. Initiative Chiwe Azingli District Madiwi Relief Camp Shini Wishinau Shaka Apatrada Kana Business Management Leadership Skill Development Kala Market Access Training Sambangaji. Shinau Pingjina Self-Help Group Trada Aka Semkwida Mentoring Kala Monitoring Regular Salakina yangsangmi Dalai Hanga. Initiative chi katom kami wuivang Governor Ningashi kami soda displays shim kurbing shim hanung pai khavai to shortly resolve sa khavai ngakawhaira. Manipur with COVID-19 positive case shagatum magada thuruka shunghaira. State Health and Family Welfare Department aya mika shock report liyangaka direct thrada madye na thrada phanga we alungli positive khani shoka. Case Katharji Imphal Wesley Mati, the Menglongli Akka Kashokna. Fresh case Chizangda, Psychorong Rumlaka, Manipur with positive case Shakatum, Magadatru Kakahaina. Mashinghi Makakajangwe, Tarik Akawina, Shanka Pogna. He will only COVID in a Gati report, Malaymana. Ayawi report at Hishuda, Manipur with positive case Magadakani active Sadale. Kani Arishang in a discharge, Saira, Trada Truk Shimling Hadale. Ajirashung the stately COVID Kakazala. Pagakwe 93.25% recover Sahira. Ukhrul District Likale GNV Ramvali Class 6 Tamkavai online application Ngahotale. PM Sri School Jawahar Novatia Vidyalaya Ramva Ukhrul 1 to session 2026 to 27 Class 6 Tamkavai selection test Saura. Class 6 selection test Chi Ajugum Kayon December direct Radaka Tumtang Rumira. Porekha wuivang application July Marang Gachang hiwe tarik magada jikona khanawa zimiksho ngasara. Selection test wuivang candidates chi 2014 kum May kharam tarik akhain haupokta 2016 July marang tarik thumra ta akhaina tangda we alungli kapra naw nga sa phlongra. Academic session 2024 to 25 li class 5 tam ka high pass sa ka high bing selection test hili majang bai mara. Kala candidates ji Ukhrul District we in class 5 full academic session tam phlongra. Selection test ji candidates akana khani shida apply masa bai mara. Repeat ka sa the kha selection test ji mathang sak mara. PM3 School Jawahal Novatya Vidyalaya Ramvu Ukhrul 1 thi co-educational residential school na chili free education board kala lodging mi NCC Scout and Guides games and sports hikata high mi class 6 tam khavai selection test we registrations wuivang website cbse.itms.rcil.government.in nvsli vapaira help desk zingksho zimikli 70054951121 kalam W Danashyam li 811894235 li nghan baira ladluita ajiwi khamataiya Paobing Ukhrul MGNREGS material cost zingkum kathum makhami wuivang MGNREGS Welfare Association Committee na complaint thàsanghaira zimiksho thumra thang alungli khavai pohaira Rakhara Parliament Kazibli Manipur President's rule kasai kasang Maram Twitter khuira dali Aji we pau hiling a Sanghaira pau ngana da clean thum sai korli ringapha kala khamhai zimiksho sa ser